Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're like me, there's nothing quite like the perfect mascara to open up your eyes and complete your makeup look. Today, we're talking about a dynamic duo that promises luscious lashes: the L'Oreal Paris Makeup Lash Paradise Mascara and the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara Primer. Whether you're a fan of bold volume or intense length, these two are here to deliver. But do they really live up to the hype? Let's dive in. First up, the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. This mascara claims to deliver 20x more volume and up to 2x more length, according to consumer studies. What makes it stand out? It promises voluptuous volume and intense length without the dreaded flaking, smudging, or clumping. So is it all that and more? Let's talk about the formula. It's enriched with a silky, smooth texture that coats every lash, giving a full lash fringe that's soft to the touch. The brush, with its full fan effect, lifts and separates, allowing the mascara to glide effortlessly from root to tip. Now, let's add the Voluminous Lash Paradise Primer into the mix. This white mascara primer is designed to thicken your lashes before applying mascara, giving them that extra volume boost and a longer-lasting finish. It has a 99% natural origin ingredient formula, enriched with chamomile extract and vitamin E, ensuring your lashes feel soft and nourished throughout the day. Plus, it's ophthalmologist tested, making it suitable for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. In terms of usage, I found that both products were easy to incorporate into my daily beauty routine. The mascara itself provided significant length and volume, perfect for creating a dramatic yet natural lash look. The primer worked well, noticeably thickening my lashes and providing a smooth base for the mascara to adhere to. I found that my lashes felt comfortable throughout the day, and I didn't experience any smudging or flaking, even on long, busy days. So let's break it down. Pros: Lash Paradise Mascara offers impressive volume and length without clumping. The formula is smooth, soft, and easy to apply, with a brush that lifts and separates lashes. The primer enhances the wear of the mascara, providing additional thickness and volume. The ingredients in the primer, like chamomile extract and vitamin E, ensure comfort and nourishment for the lashes. Ophthalmologist tested and suitable for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. Cons: the mascara may require a few coats for a truly dramatic effect, which could be a bit time-consuming. The primer's white color may be visible if not completely covered by mascara, requiring a bit more precision during application. Now, when we talk about value for money, these two products are quite reasonably priced, especially considering the performance they offer. L'Oreal Paris is a trusted brand in the beauty industry, and these mascaras live up to their reputation for high-quality products at an affordable price. If you're someone who loves full, voluminous lashes but doesn't want to break the bank, this duo is a great option. In comparison to other mascaras and primers in the market, the Lash Paradise line offers competitive performance without the luxury price tag. Other high-end mascaras may offer similar volume and length, but for the price, Lash Paradise is hard to beat. Both the mascara and the primer feel sturdy and well-made, with the packaging having a sleek, luxurious design. As for longevity, I found that my lashes stayed voluminous all day long with minimal touch-ups needed. The primer and mascara work together to provide that lasting, full lash effect without needing to reapply. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get your hands on these, the link is in the comments. In terms of customer service, L'Oreal Paris is a well-established brand known for reliable support. While I haven't had direct experience with their customer service for these specific products, they have a reputation for excellent responsiveness and support. If you're wondering about product alternatives, you can find similar volumizing mascaras and primers from brands like Maybelline or CoverGirl, which also offer great performance at similar price points. However, given the quality and price, the Lash Paradise duo is a strong contender if you're looking for effective volume and length without paying a premium. Final verdict. Overall, the L'Oreal Paris Makeup Lash Paradise Mascara and Voluminous Lash Paradise Primer are a fantastic combination for achieving bold, dramatic lashes. The mascara offers impressive length and volume, while the primer enhances both the texture and wear time. If you're someone who loves voluminous lashes with a comfortable feel, these products will definitely meet your needs. I highly recommend this duo for anyone looking to elevate their lash game without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching. If you've used these products, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.